Hello. So today I'm going to make the unpacking of the Polyalchemy Elixir. And they already asked me, they wrote me an email, oh, how do you like the filament? And I said, okay, today I have to make an unboxing at least. And then over the next weeks I will try. And then I will make another video showing off some hopefully cool objects that I have printed with this filament. And I bought it in the colors of PLA Silver and the color of, where is it? Orange. Yeah, so let me see. So yeah, so here it is. Oh wow, that is really, really shimmery. Let's see where I can open up the, okay, so yeah, this bag is nice and big, so I hope I can reuse it. Oh, I think I have to get myself a scissor. Okay, but it works. It's okay. There we go. Don't hurt myself. Oh, and it has another wrap of clear. Okay. Good. Wow, that really looks like silver color. So that is so nice. I have to think about what I'm gonna print with this, but I think I will find very quickly. Okay, so that's that one, and then the other one. Oh, so doesn't everybody need an orange? Yeah, so orange was very unsexy until Joseph Prusa started printing his parts of his printer in orange, and now I think everybody loves orange. Not everybody, but many people love orange, me too. Yeah, so maybe I'm gonna make a spool holder for my Delta, because I don't like the spool holder that came with it. So orange would be nice. Okay. There we go. So can't see the color yet. Oh, it has a nice shimmer. That is cool. That is cool. So it has a kind of a reflective, shimmery surface, and I think that will be very nice when once it's printed. Yeah, so it's not just a normal orange, it is like a reflective one. Cool. So I will print some things, and then I will make an update video to show off some cool stuff. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.